to see how I get this 2 puff hairstyle, please keep on watching. So welcome back guys, and I'm here with another video. Don't mind my plaits guys. So I did this hairstyle 2 days ago and I just come out the end and plait it. That's why my hair is looking like that, and I know it's cute, right? I know it's cute. Comment cute down below if you like my plaits. So I'm just pulling them out right now, and then we'll get straight into what we need to do. So now guys, I'm going to be combing out my hair with this brush, and I'm combing out the part as well to let you see that, you know, your girl got it. Yes, I'm going to be doing it from scratch, so you know I'm getting the parts out and everything. You see me? Yeah. So anybody here with me from day one will know and will see that my hair has grown. If you're never there from day one, you can just go check out the video. You see me? Thanks to the coconut oil, I'm going to be putting the link at the top to show you guys how I made the coconut oil, which is doing miracles for me right now. So guys, when you come in here, you know the thing that you need a brush. Well, I always use 2 brush, and you know my handy dandy eco gel, the thing that makes the trick work. So, and my wax guys, this is so good, and my spray bottle, of course. So when the hair gets knotty, you can use it, and my brush, duh. You see me? If you don't know, brush them, and if you can check out the video, and 2 scrunchy, whatever you want to call it. Yeah. So we're going to get started. And a tail comb to part the hair, of course. So now you're going to measure it from your nose, the bridge of your nose to go up. That is the center of your head. So you can just try that and make one straight part go down, and it done this. So you can look in the mirror and see it. They might be able to slide, you know, shift, and you just fix that and you're good. So you're going to put away one side, of course, so that it does not mix up with the other side and make your part look shaky, you see me? So that's what we're doing here, and then we're going to start. Officially start. So I'm going to comb out my hair. Comb it out from the end, guys. If you comb it out from the root, you're going to be in problem. Wanna see me as so great as I do, cause I'm not listening. So guys, can you believe that I forgot about my water? So now, this water now has pink lotion and some coconut oil in it. So you know, say moisture I got in your ear, not water alone. So may I spray some in there to help detangle my hair, and yeah, girl hair are detangle and bare things. So yeah. You can use a big teeth comb to comb out your hair, but I use a small teeth comb because I was already using the tail comb, so just do it. And now I'm using the brush to brush up my hair in where I want it. I don't want it at the top, and I don't want it to the back too much, so I just put it, I don't even know, I just put it right there. So yeah, right there, so I put it. You can put your puff wherever you want it, because some people put their puffs at the back and that looks cute. Some put their puffs at the top like 2 bunny and that look cute. So you just put it where you want it. And yeah, so now I'm using the eco gel, and yes, that's too much, you know, but I still take out it, and then you're just going to put it on. You don't even have to put it everywhere, but just at the front and the back. Yeah, so that there's a can hold. Depends on how tall or how short your hair is. And where you know your hair is going to fly, you just put it so it can slide down and look neat. So now I'm running the comb through it to make sure that it is combed out and everything is good. You see me? And now I'm going to use the brush and brush it and then pull it out and fix it the right way. When you see that, when you see when I brush down my ear, oh, it look nice and everything, just like that. So once you do your ear like this, you know I say it gonna look good. Yes, you may talk, you know I say it gonna look good. Kill me dead me cute, you know, and kill me dead my ear done. After that me I can't find cause this have a buzz. Don't I know say it have a buzz, you don't have to tell me. I all fix up my eyebrow them like me I go what? Me is a real G, you know? So now we're going to the next side and we're basically doing the same thing, so I'm going to speed it up. Only thing you need to know is that you need to make sure that it is in line with the other puff. So try get it in line with the other puff to make it look neat and yeah. So guys, we are finished, and you know you could just rock your hair like that, but you know your girl have to add some finishing touches to this. So I'm going to spray some water in my hair and comb it out, and then add some gel to it. So it's time for the gel now. We're just going to take the gel and put it on the end of your hair and just twirl it around, simple and easy. You get some bouncy, some cute curls. I'm telling you, fancy curls, fancy curls, fancy curls, fancy curls. If you don't have fancy curls, go back inside. By the way guys, I hope you guys are staying home and keeping safe because this thing is getting worse. What did that little girl do? More than want to know what I'm to that little girl. You don't have no edges, so go sit down. So guys, we are about to do the edges and I'm using the Ossion wax. Yes guys, so that's how it looks. I'm already telling you it smells like bubblegum. Yeah. Just watch and enjoy me fix up my edges, guys. This is the best part of the video. Without edges, you need to go back inside. Oh my god. A joke, guys. Make sure someone stay inside, but only need on the edges. Talk to me nice, cause my edges them look nice. You see me? So now, what if I tie down my edges down to make them dry and everything? So I'm using a kerchief, cause I don't know say a girl a bad girl, a joke. But when it's a kerchief today, you can use a scarf or whatever you have to tie your hair, to tie down your edges, and you tie it down. Go take a shower, come back, pull it out, and you're good to go. Simple as that. Easy one too, and your hair look nice and everything. Nobody can tell me say my hair don't look nice, cause all natural Candice teach me. You see me, kill me dead all the eyebrow and them things. Watch it now. Watch you idiot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and comment down below other video ideas that you would like to see. One more thing, guys, we hit 10k views and 600 subscribers all because of you. Hee-hoo. Guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe, and always bring a friend over here. Make sure to keep safe and big up on yourself. I'm out.